Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can hide desktop icons. Like right now, there are many application shortcuts are available on my desktop and I want to hide this all. So to hide all this, simply click anywhere on your desktop wallpaper with your right click mouse button. Just do a right click. When you will do a right click, you will see here view option. Under view option, you will see this show desktop icons. It is right now is marked. It is now checked. So simply come here and just click one more time, and now all your applications and icons which is there on your desktop will now get hidden. And if you want to bring all those icons back to your desktop, just simply right click again, go to your view option and just click on show desktop icon again. And now your all application will come back to your desktop again. I hope you will find this very useful, especially when you have a Teams call or meeting invite where you need to share your screen and you don't want to share your scattered desktops to your viewers. So this will be very handy for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.